So hi everybody, the NEET results are out and the next step is the admissions and the counselings. So for the counseling, you have to register yourself at the MCC websites. So keep looking for the notifications on MCC website, and specifically the number which you have given, you will get the notifications, but keep the notifications on and keep tracking the MCC website. You will be registering the website with some a particular registration amount. Now, next step, the most important will be your seat selection. So there will be two quotas which you will be filling, All India quota and the state quota. All India quota will have 15% category and 85% your seat will be from the state quota. I will always prefer that you stay in the same state, or if in the city you have a very good college, first try to apply for that. And of course, for the safe side, you fill even for the All India quota. Now, seat selection or the college selection, what you are doing, you do it with some little bit of research. The kind of college you are selecting should be applicable for your marks. Like आपके marks अगर 500 के 600 के अंदर है और आप अगर एम्स कैंपस भरे हो तो there is no point. Why do you want to even apply for that? So there is no point even in application. So select the colleges as per your merit and go for last 2 years of research based on the merit. And this is the most important crucial step, because the college which you are going to select will be admission will be done based on those selections only. Then you have to fill the fees and then the admission process will take place. So we'll update you as per the notifications once the website is on. And do like the video and keep commenting, as well as log in for more details. Thank you. Bye.